I just finished recording a chemistry lesson using Microsoft Office Mix. To assess the students' comprehension of this video-based assignment, I'll add an interactive quiz to my Mix. To add a quiz, I click the Mix tab. Now I click the location on my slide where I want the quiz to appear. Back on the Mix tab, in the Insert group, I click the Quizzes, Videos, Apps button. In the new window, I can look for apps in the Office Store, or use one of my apps. Here I see a list of quiz templates that I can add to my presentation. I'll select Multiple Choice Quiz and click Insert. In the first box, I insert the text of my question. If I click the light bulb icon, I can add a hint. If I later change my mind, I can click the recycle bin icon to delete the hint. For my answers, I can choose to allow a single choice or to allow multiple choices. Because this question has only one right answer, I ensure that Allow Single Choice Only is selected. I'll also select Shuffle Answers. This way, the answer choices appear in random order. This makes it easy for me to write my quiz without worrying about randomizing the answers. I'll also select Limit Attempts. When this is selected, I can restrict the number of times my students can answer the question. I'll give them one attempt. Now I'll begin to add the answers. I'll insert the first answer. And I repeat this process for each answer I add to the quiz. I'll click the Add Feedback icon and I insert a note about the answer. The note could provide a simple response or detailed explanations for why an answer is right or wrong. If I want to add an additional answer field, I click Add Another Answer. Then I add the answer as before. I can add as many answers and feedback notes as I like. When I finish adding the answers, I must designate the correct response. By default, a green tick appears beside the first answer, marking it as correct. To change the correct answer, I click the blue tick beside the response I want to designate. The tick turns green, indicating the correct response. When I finish writing the quiz, I click Preview to see how the quiz will appear to my students. Here I can select an answer right away, or I can click Hint to see the hint I added to the quiz. When I've selected an answer, I click Submit. After I submit the answer, the feedback I added appears. I can click Retry to take the quiz again, or I can click Continue to advance to the next slide. I can also edit the quiz at any time. When I finish writing my quiz, I'm ready to upload and share my Mix so that my students can view the slides and take the quiz. The quiz capability in Mix lets students assess their understanding, and Mix enables me to create great interactive lessons using PowerPoint. In fact, this training video was captured in Mix.